Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're using the Expedia mobile app and need help, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to contact Expedia support directly from the app, whether it's about a booking or general questions. This method will connect you quickly. Open the Expedia mobile app on your device. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Scroll down the menu until you find the Help and Feedback option. Tap on it. On the next screen, tap on Chat Now. A chat window will open where you can start a conversation with Expedia's support team. You can ask questions, report issues, or get updates on your bookings directly through this chat. That's how you can easily contact support using the Expedia mobile app. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more tech help guides and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.